Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Tracy. For today's video, I just want to talk about some beauty products and stuff. I want to mention two of my friends. Kayla Fearing, she has a channel on YouTube. Please check out her channel, you will love her. And also Deborah Giroux, who has been so kind. Thank you again, Deborah, for everything. I finally got my BoxyCharm on January 24th. I'm not going to do a BoxyCharm unboxing because everyone in the free world already got their box. We all know what's in them. The next product I just want to quickly mention is from The Body Shop, and it's the Ginger Shampoo and Conditioner. Don't buy it unless it's on sale. It's really good. It's good for the scalp. It smells so good. It's vegan. It's organic. It's cruelty-free. It's so pleasant and good and nice to use, and it's not expensive. This is a new discovery for me, though I know it's not new. It's the e-cloth. They're amazing cloths. There are some for stainless steel, there are some for kitchen, they're all different ones, but you don't need to use any products on it. You just use water and they clean like a charm and they cut your work time in half. I have a lot of the Norwex, but I find the, never mind. I want to tell you about, you know how I'm always complaining about our postal service? This is what came in the mail yesterday. So I get inside a Ziploc bag. Inside is an envelope. It's torn open and it's empty except for the bill. And I get a note that says, here, I'm going to let you see this. I can't read it though. Yeah, and it says, "Dear customer, we sincerely regret that your mail..." Anyway, somebody stole my NARS Hot Tris palette. I don't know if it was stolen in the mail or if it was stolen at the store. Anyway, I contacted them. They're supposed to send me a new one. I don't know if they rent, because it's a limited edition. There are not many left. If you remember in my last video, I was mentioning the Natasha Denona top coat and I swatched it and I love it. It just, the shimmer moves in the lighting. I really, really, really love it. This is the top coat in the shade bronze. So I went out and got the metallic bronze. Okay. So this one is a little bit darker. To me, it's not a top coat, it's an eyeshadow. I'll swatch it. It's a lot more pigmented. It's beautiful. It's almost identical to, remember the Dior I showed you in my last video? So I'm going to swatch this beside it. They're not identical, but they're very similar. But I think the Natasha Denona Metal Bronze is going back because it's just too similar to the Dior. So now let's talk lip products. This is the Bite Beauty Cream Lip Gloss in Rose Pearl. I'm going to swatch it for you. It's really beautiful. This has a really slight minty fragrance and it feels very light. It's just a gloss. I mean, it's not going to stay on all day, but it has such a nice shine to it. I really like it. I really enjoyed wearing it during the holidays, and I guess I have to put it away now, but I don't want to. And this is the Becca Liptuitive Lip Gloss. This is a more natural looking one. This is really cool because it's a lip stain. It goes on clear, but after about 3 minutes it starts to come out pink, and it gives your lips like a natural healthy look, and it moisturizes your lips in the winter. It's not cheap though. This is the Face Halo. I believe the only place you can get it is by ordering directly from Face Halo, and you get 3 of them. This takes off all your makeup without any products, and it doesn't pull out your lashes. Like I have other ones that do take off all your makeup, like this is Norwex, and I've had other ones, but they pull your eyelashes out. This one doesn't, and it's so great for travel, and they say you can throw it in the washing machine. I don't. I just wash it with soap and I just wash it with my hands. I don't know, I think if more people knew about it, they would really want to use it. So that'll be it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.